Youth gun violence in our area is destroying families, ripping apart communities, and it's been the subject of our series of reports this week. Our kids are dying.
While past solutions have failed, Pittsburgh Mayor Ed Gainey is proposing a different approach.
He says we need to address the violence as a public health crisis, treat it like a disease.
Over the past 2 nights here on KDKA News at 6:30, KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan has taken a hard look at youth gun violence.
And now in the final part of his series, Andy explores solutions, including what the mayor is suggesting and if it can really work.
He got the gun! Get the out! Get the...
The gun violence that has shaken the city has left its leaders searching for answers. Mayor Gainey is trying to rally the community to come together behind a plan of treating violence as a public health crisis.
If we look at violence like we look at COVID and understand that this is a pandemic that needs to be addressed, we can get to a solution.
Gainey wants more cops walking the beat and a team of city social workers dealing with addiction, homelessness, and domestic violence. But he says the problem goes beyond law enforcement and beyond the city's resources. He's looking to bring together the universities, hospitals, foundations, and corporations to address what he calls the roots of trauma, the poverty, disinvestment, and lack of education and opportunity that has driven young people to crime and violence.
Hurt people hurt people. If you have been harmed by somebody else, if you've been traumatized, you're then much more likely to go on to traumatize somebody else. And so we've seen that cycle of violence, that cycle of trauma, become a driver of gun violence in and of itself.
We step up, we step in, we're not afraid to reach out to these youth.
The aim is to break that cycle, funding programs like that of trauma specialist Dr. Stacy Ford, who heads a team of outreach workers called interrupters, who intervene with these kids and try to prevent the violence before it happens.
It's about being able to connect and have resources that you can link a youth to. Taking kids on field trips and supporting them and teaching them what is right and how they should be doing things and how to deal with their emotions and their frustrations.
The initiative would try to address the mental health problems of the young, which would include drug and alcohol addiction, providing psychological and emotional support to them and their families, and putting more counselors in schools and community centers.
I think mental health is something that we really had to address as a society. We haven't addressed it in the ways that it needs to be addressed. I believe that people need counseling.
Ultimately, the aim is to redirect youth and provide a pathway to opportunity, but Garland concedes it won't work if there isn't buy-in from the community itself and a concerted effort to change the culture of violence glorified in rap songs and movies.
We have to re-educate our kids. We have to re-educate our families.
Mayor Gainey and Pittsburgh are not alone. This public health approach is being initiated in cities around the country now plagued with similar levels of violence. However, the jury is still out on whether this will work where other measures have failed. Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.